Yesterday we saw two types in substitution method. In the first example we saw whole numbers were given and the resultant was whole number. In second example we saw whole number was given in the question and the resultant was fraction. Today we are going to see the third sum. Let us see what is there in the third sum. You can see point, decimal is there. So decimals are given in the sum. What will be the resultant? Let us see. See the first equation, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. Let it be as equation number 1. See the second equation, 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Let this be as equation number 2. Yesterday only I told you x should be kept in the left hand side and y should be taken on the right hand side. One advice I gave you. Second advice I gave you, select the equation in which the coefficient of x is a lower number, least number. So let us see. 0.2x, 0.4x. So which number is least number? 0.2x. So I will select this equation. So with this equation I will find out the value of x. Came to know why? Because it will be easy for you to calculate. Bigger the number, you will make mistakes. So always remember, x you keep on left hand side, take y on the other side. Choose that equation whose coefficient of x is a lesser number. That equation you take. So here I am going to take 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. What I am going to do? 0.2x I will retain on the left hand side. So I will put it as 0.2x. Now I want to take plus 0.3y on the other side of the equation. As I told you, plus will become what? Minus. First, what is there in the other side of the equation? First, what is there? 1.3. I will write it down. Plus 0.3y will become minus 0.3y. I want only the value of x. 0.2 coefficient is there that I want to remove. As you know that in linear equation, when multiplication 0.2x means what? 0.2 into x. So when I remove 0.2 from left hand side to right hand side, it is multiplication. It will go or it will become the denominator. So what shall I get? X is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y whole divided by 0.2. So this is very important. This will find us the value of x. Now which equation is left out? Second equation. In the second equation, I will substitute the value of x. So first I will write it down, the second equation. What is the second equation? 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Now 0.4x is given. In place of x, I am going to write it down. So what I have to write it down? Substituting the value of x. In what? In equation 2. So first I will write it down in equation 2. I'll see on the other side of the board. So what is the equation given? That is 0.4x plus 0.5 is equal to 2.3. So in place of x, I want to take 1.3 minus 0.3y whole divided by 0.2. So 0.4 will remain as it is inside the bracket. Why I am writing inside the bracket? Because it is a binomial term and it is a binomial term with a denominator. So I can't write it like that way only. So I have to put it in the bracket. So what shall I get it? 1.3 minus 0.3y whole divided by 0.2 bracket over. Then what is there? Plus 0.5. I have to write it down as it is. Plus 0.5. Then what sign is there? Equal sign. So is equal to. Then what is there the next number? 2.3. So that also I write it down as it is. Now pay attention here. 0.4 and 0.2. See, I will show you over here. 0.4 divided by 0.2. I have told you that the numerator is a single, that is a decimal. 1 point decimal is there. Denominator is also 1 point decimal. You can remove the decimal, so it will become 4 by 2, means you can cancel, so it will become 2. So this whole will be cancelled and it will become 2. So came to know what is the reason. 0.4, 0.2. There is a rule when numerator is having a single decimal and denominator is also a single decimal, the decimal points can be cancelled. So it will become 4 by 2. When you divide, it will become 2. So it became 2. Now what I have to do? With the 2 I have to multiply 1.3 and with the 2 I have to multiply 0.3. See over here. Okay, there is no denominator. Only 2 I should multiply with 1.3. Then 2 I have to multiply with 0.3 and you have to consider the sign also. So what am I going to do? I will show you here. 2 into 1.3 are going to multiply. What sign is there? Minus. Again 2 into 0.3y plus 0.5y will remain as it is equal to 2.3. Now let us see what is this. 2 into 1.3 means you take first you consider it as 13. 13 twos are how much? 26. So write it down first 26. How many place of decimal is there? 1 place of decimal. So I will put 1 place of decimal. So I got it as what? 2.6 minus. Here also again 0.3 and 2 is given. First you don't consider the decimal. 2 3s are 6. So 6y. How many place of decimal is there? 1 place. So I got it as 0.6y. Next what is given? Plus. It will remain as it is. Then what it is? 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So first we will see that 0.6y, 0.5y variables are same. So I told you same variables can be added and subtracted. So first we will take this minus 0.6y plus 0.5y. I will show you over here. 0.6y is minus plus 0.5y. I have told you when one negative number and one positive number is there, you subtract from the greater number the smaller number. Which is the greater number? 0.6. Which is the smaller number? 0.5. So y will remain as it is. 6 minus 5 is 1 point and what over here? 0. What is the bigger number? 0.6. So what sign is there? Minus. So we will get it as minus 0.1y. So what will write it out? 2.6 minus 0.1y is equal to 2.3. Now 2.6 is a constant. I don't want it on the left hand side. I want to find out the value of y. So I will shift this 2.6 to the other side of the equation. Plus is there, so it will become minus. So what shall I get? Minus 0.1y is equal to 2.3 minus 2.6. Again we will see what happens over here. Now you see, which is the bigger number? 2.6. What sign is there? Minus. So minus 2.6. Which is the smaller number? 2.3. What sign is there? Plus. 2.3 now is minus. 6 minus 3 is 3.0. Which is a bigger number? 2.6. What sign is there? Minus. So I got it as minus 0.3. So minus 0.1y is equal to minus 0.3. Yesterday also I explained you 2 when minus sign is between the equal side, what will happen? The sign will cancel. So what I got? 0.1y is equal to 0.3. So what is the y value? Y is equal to 0.3 divided by 0.1. Numerator 1 place of decimal, denominator 1 place of decimal, I can remove. It will become 3 by 1. What is 3 by 1 is 3. So I got the value of y as 3. Now as I told you that this x we will take the equation and then we will substitute the y value. Let us see what shall we get over here, the value of y. That is so what we will show, x is equal to, what we got it as 1.3, then what is there, minus 0.3y, then what is there, whole divided by 0.2. So where I have to substitute, where y is there, I am going to substitute the value. What is the value of y? It is 3. So is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3 into 3 whole divided by 0.2. Now same thing, 3 3s are 9. One place of decimal means it will become 0.9. So that is equal to 1.3 minus 0.9 divided by 0.2. So what you will get when you subtract? So we will see here. 1.3, it is a greater number, it is plus, minus 0.9. 13 minus 9 is 4. So we will get it as what? 0.4. So what you will get over here? 0.4 divided by 0.2. As I told you, numerator also one place of decimal, denominator also one place of decimal. So what happened? Decimal points cancels. So you will get 4 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 2s are. So you got it as 2. So now let us see what we got the values of x and y. So that we will write it down. So we got over here the value of x is equal to how much it is? 2. The value of y is equal to 3. So what you are seeing over here, in this question decimal was given and the resultant was whole number. So this is the third type of substitution method. So when decimal numbers are given, the resultant will be what to call it as, it can be whole numbers depending upon what the numbers are given. Now let us see the fourth worked example. What is given? 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. You can see here that fractions are there in the question. After solving, let us see what the resultant we will get. If fraction is like this, we cannot solve it directly, making this as equation number 1, taking it as equation number 2. We have to convert it into the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Means nothing should be there in the denominator. So first let us take this equation, convert it into a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. So first I am going to write it down. 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So 2 and 3 are the prime numbers, and I told you when prime numbers are there, you can directly multiply, take it the LCM. So what is your LCM? 6 is the LCM. So what you have to do, take the first fraction, multiply by the LCM. So what you will get? 3x by 2 into 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 3 3s are 9. So you will get it as 9x minus. Now take the second fraction. Which is the second fraction? 5y by 3 into 6. So 3 and 6 can be cancelled. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 5 2s are 10. So minus 10y is equal to 2. Nothing is there means 1 is there. When I told you it equal sign is there, what you can do? You can solve it. This will be minus 2. It will be minus 2 by 1. So what you have to do? Cross multiply. And always remember, when you are cross multiplying, the variable should first come on the left hand side and then the constant. So what shall I do? 9x minus 10y into 1. Anything multiplied by 1 is the same number. So 9x minus 10y only I will get is equal to minus 2 into 6. 6 2s are how much? 12. So I will get it as minus 12. So this is your equation number 1. So what you got it? 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Now let us take the second one over what is given over here. Here also what is there? Denominators are there. So we have to convert it into a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So let us see that equation. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So what shall we do over here? See, 3 is given, 2 is given and 6 is given. At a time we can take the what you call it as LCM, and if the denominators equal sign is same, you can cancel the denominators. So first we will see over here 3 2s, again I told 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. So 3 2s are 6. So LCM is what? 6 over here. So what shall we do? X by 3 into 6. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So what I got it as 2x. Then second fraction what it is given? Y by 2 into 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So what I got? Plus 3y is equal to what is given? 13 by 6. So 13 by 6 I can, if I take the LCM, 13 by 6 into 6. 6 1s are, 6 1s are. So what I got? 13 by 6 only. So what shall it be? 6 and 6 will cancel. So what happens? What is remaining in the denominator? 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. This is your equation number 2. Now pay attention here. I told you, you have to keep the x on left hand side and take the y on the right hand side, and you find out what is the x value. But second thing what I told, you choose the x whose coefficient is less. 9x, 2x, which is less? 2x is less. So I will take this to find the value of x. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 means what will happen? 2x is equal to plus 3y will go on the other side. It will become 13 minus 3y. 2 also I don't need. So I will take it on the other side. It will go below the denominator. X is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So I got this as the x. Now what shall I do? This is second equation I took and got the value of x. Now I have to substitute this x value in equation number 1. So what we are going to do? Substituting value of x in which? In equation 1. So now we will write down the equation 1. What is the equation number 1? 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. We are going to substitute the value of x in this equation. So what is x value? 13 minus 3y by 2. So 9 in the bracket, 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Now what shall we do? 2 and 9 cannot be cancelled. So you have to multiply. 9 into 13 minus 9 into 3y. So 9 into 13 minus 9 into 3y whole divided by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 9 into 13. So 13 into 9. 9 3s are 27. Carry 2. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So you got it as 117 minus 9 3s are 27y divided by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Now here nothing is there, means 1 is there. Again I told you what you have to do. The denominator will be 2. You have to cross multiply. First what we take, first 117 minus 27y into 1, it will remain the same because 1 is there. So 117 minus 27y. Now this you multiply, minus 20y is equal to minus 12. Here also nothing is there, means what you do? Cross multiply. So 117 minus 27y minus 20y is equal to minus 12 into 2. So what you will get minus 12 into 2? It will be equal to minus 24. Now, minus 27 and minus 20y both are having the same variable. Like terms can be added and can be subtracted. Already I have told you that two negative numbers you have to add and keep negative sign. So what here it will become 117 minus 27 and 20 together will become 47. So we will get it as 117 minus 47 is equal to minus 24. Now what shall I do? I will take 117 on the other side. So what shall I get it? Minus 47y is equal to minus 24 and minus 117. Which what I have to do? I have to add these two now. Two negative numbers should be added and kept as what? Negative sign. So let us see 117 and what it is 24. 7 plus 4 what it is 11. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4 and here 1. So what you got it as minus 47y is equal to minus 141. Minus sign cancels. So what you will get? Y is equal to 141 divided by 47. So will it be cancelled? Let us see. 47 3s are 141. So y value got it as 3. So y is how much? 3. Now we know what x we have taken. X is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. So we will take the x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. We will substitute the value of y over here. So what shall we get? X is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. So x is equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. X is equal to 13 minus 9. X is equal to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x value we got it as 2. So now let us write down what are the values of x and y. So we got it. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So you can see over here what we got it. In the question what was there? Fraction was there. And see the resultant. Resultant is what? Whole number. So if fractions are given in the question, the resultant may be the whole number. So we can say that this is how we can solve the sum. So once again I will explain you. Here what is the equation given? 3x minus 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So here we can't solve it like this because we have to change. The general form is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. So we have to convert both the equation in that. This first equation we have to convert in a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. Second one you have to convert into a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So first equation will convert it into that form. So here you can see 2 and 3 is there. Both are prime numbers. If prime numbers are there, I told you how to take the LCM. You have to directly multiply. 2 3s are 6. So 9x minus 10y divided by 6 is equal to minus 2. So what you did? 3x by 2 into 6 you did. 2 3s are, so 3 3s are 9. Minus 5 by 3 into 6, 3 2s are, 5 2s are 10. So 9x minus 10y by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 1. Here what you are going to do? Cross multiply. When like this you are going to do cross multiplication, you keep in mind a variable should come on left hand side and the constant should go on the right hand side. So anything multiplied by 1 is the same number. 9x minus 10y is equal to 6 into minus 2 is given. So it will become 6 2s are 12 minus 12. Second equation in the same way we have to convert it into a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So here also LCM is 6. So x by 3 into 6 is 2, 2x. Y by 2, if you cancel 3, 3y. So 2x plus 3y by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. Same where LCM in the denominator. Denominators are same. Then you can cancel the denominators. So you will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. That became your equation number 2. We got the equation equation number 2 as 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. We want to take the x value on left hand side and y value on the right hand side. So I told you see the coefficient of x. In first equation coefficient of x is 9. In second equation coefficient of x is 2. Which is lesser? This 2x is lesser. So we will take this equation to find out the value of x. So what we will do, 2x will keep it on left hand side. 3y will take on the right hand side, plus 3y is there, it will become minus 3y. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. So x will be equal to 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2. Keep this as it is. Now, which equation is left out? Equation number 1. In equation number 1, we are going to substitute the value of x. So, substituting value of x in equation number 1. We write down the equation number 1. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So, in place of x, I am going to keep 13 minus 3y by 2 is equal to minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 2 and 9 cannot be cancelled, because in 2 table 9 is not there. So what we are going to do? 9 into 13. 9 into 13. What sign is there? Minus minus. 9 into 3y. 9 into 3y. The denominator will remain same, divided by 2. Minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 13 9s are 117, minus 9 3s are 27. 9 into 3y is 27y, minus 27y whole divided by 2, minus 10y is equal to minus 12. For these two we will take the LCM. Nothing is there means 1. When 1 is there and when another number is there in the denominator, what I told you, to do cross multiplication. So 117 minus 27y into 1, you will get same 117 minus 27y. 2 into minus 10y will get minus 20y whole divided by 2 is equal to minus 12. Nothing is there means 1. Again we have to take the LCM. That is what we will do. We will do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, what I told, first the variable should come on the left hand side. Multiply by 1. Anything multiplied by 1 is 1. Same number only. So 117 minus 27y minus 20y is equal to minus 12 into 2. Minus 12 into 2 is what? Minus 24. Here minus 27 and minus 20y is given. Two negative numbers, add and keep negative sign. So 117 minus 47 y is equal to minus 24. 117 I take on the other side. Plus will become minus. So minus 47y is equal to minus 24 minus 117. Both if you add, you will get minus 141. Minus sign on both sides can cancel. So y is equal to 141 by 47. 47 3s are 141. So you got y is equal to 3. Let us now substitute this y value in this x is equal to. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2. X is equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 by 2. So x is equal to 13 minus 9. So it is f4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4 is equal to 2. So you got the x value as 2. Now you can see here x value as 2 and y value as 3. See the question. What is there? Fractions are there. So the resultant may be the whole number. So in this particular sum, the question fraction was there and here we got the resultant as whole number.